Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to get anime filter on Snapchat. Let's go for it. First of all, go to Snapchat and go to your filters options. Here is all filters for you, but I want a snap anime filter, so tap on explore and go to search. Okay, now search the anime filter. Okay, wow, what's cool video now. Wow, yeah, here is all cool anime filter for you. You can just use them. You see. Okay, I want to tap on. Yeah, oh wow, I just make them favorite. Yeah. Thank you for watching. That's what I want to show you.